The urethra.
This is the internal genitalia.
This is the internal genitalia. The urethra, and this is the urinary bladder. This is the vagina. The vaginal orifice is the outside part. And this is the vagina. You can see here the cervix. This is the anterior fornix and the posterior fornix. This is the cervix, the internal os, and the external os. This is what you call the cavity of the uterus. This is the uterus. The uterus has 3 layers: the perimetrium, the myometrium, which is in the middle, and the endometrium, the inner part. The endometrium is the one removed during menstruation. Yeah. This is the cavity of the okay. Again.
Oh, yung clitoris.
The clitoris. This is the homologue to the penis of the
Yeah, because it's the
male.
organ of copulation.
Yeah. It's the organ of copulation. This is the organ of vagina is the organ of copulation.
No, it's the birth canal.
Copulation.
But it's the homologue of penis because it is a pubic.
Yeah, it's just the homologue of the penis,
Okay,
but this is the
okay,
copulation
shut
organ.
up.
This is the surface of the clitoris. The skin outside the clitoris covering it. This is what's called the pubic.
Oh, yung fallopian tube.
The fallopian tube. The fallopian tube. This is the ureter, the outer part. This is the myometrium, the perimetrium. The fallopian tube. The fallopian tube has different parts. This part is the
Oh, fuck.
I forgot really.
No, I think this is the you hold it. This is the timbrae, and this is the infundibulum.
Infundibulum.
And this is the ampulla, this one. And this is
The middle part is the
cortex.
nakalimutan mo.
Yan, nakalimutan ng bonggang-bongga.
Yan, okay na. Ako na. This is the fallopian tube. This
Huwag mo nang ulitin sinabi ko, ah.
is ay, nakalimutan.
Fundus. Oh, joke lang. Oh, hanapin mo yung suspensory ligament. Bilis.
Suspensory ligament. This is suspensory ligament.
Oh, fuck. It's not there, too.
This is suspensory. Wala.
Wala dyan?
This is the round ligament.
Yeah.
The round ligament and the wala din.
Ano ba yung model na meron yun?
Ito. This is the round ligament and this is the
Di ba may uterus pa? O may ureter
ovarian
pa?
ligament.
Di ba may ureter pa? Basta alam na natin yan.
Ovarian